The world is changing faster than ever, and technology is corresponding with rapid progress. Accordingly, the customer's experience of vehicle ownership is becoming more complicated and advanced. We have constantly studied accurate, convenient, and smart after-sales service and process innovation for a next-level customer experience. And now, we proudly announce a paradigm transformation in the after-sales service with the world's first ever global diagnostic system, SMART. It is no longer a diagnosis dependent on the technician's personal competence, but guides optimized diagnosis and recommended repair process based on big data, considering the technician's work procedures. In addition, the technician can search core information with keywords using the cloud and check related search terms based on natural language. As a result, this solution guides you through complex and difficult diagnosis and repair procedures in a one-stop way. It is the perfect assistant for a technician to smartly support the entire after-sales service process. Let's find out the details. First of all, Smart Diagnosis automatically identifies engine control unit status of the vehicle immediately to determine if diagnostic trouble code has occurred or not, and the technician can check if there is an ECU upgrade event. A schematic image in the form of a top list appears in a row, showing whether the controller is applied or not, and also provides the detailed specification of the controller units. In the case where diagnostic trouble codes occur, the link-up function can find the on-site repair details of the code. The maintenance manual is also available immediately to guide repair. If you follow this manual, the most accurate and speedy repair is possible. The diagnostic test function also automatically shows core sensor items for each trouble code. Thanks to this, the technician can check min-max values that have been precisely analyzed to make accurate determination possible. Once the parts have been repaired, the technician will be guided through the must-do procedures, so repair can be completed based on accurate information. Secondly, Smart Search combines accumulated data on-site with the vehicle status-based search function to provide optimal recommendation procedures for technicians and to find fast, accurate, and convenient solutions. The solution is so smart that it converges field-generated RO and QIR information into big data and provides repair part numbers and additional information according to relevant information algorithms. Thanks to this, technicians don't need to search any other systems or look up outdated manuals page by page to find the information for repair. This one application provides a total search system to give all information for technicians. Now, countless maintenance cases in the field are gathered in this system in real time, and it's available to all technicians. The best thing is that continuous field information collection and big data analysis will strengthen circulation of data, and this will become smarter and smarter. Although a vehicle is the essence of a logical and objective process, it may feel subjective depending on the sensitivity of the driver. Just like when the air conditioning doesn't feel cool enough or when the handle feels too heavy. Finally, the digital field fix is also available as an all-in-one solution, since the digital field fix separately classifies the items and collects difficult and tricky symptoms to check out and provides an intuitive check procedure through analysis of the output value of the ECU or the operation status of the sensor actuator during the automatic inspections. This allows us to objectively, accurately, and quickly diagnose if there's anything wrong with the electronic control system. GDS SMART. All of this innovation came from just one starting point. This point is customer value and ownership experience. Hyundai Aftersales service technology is always accurate, fast, and smart. Explore it. Experience it. GDS SMART.